Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the solutions to fix your keyboard not working in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, we will address accessibility settings that might be interfering with your keyboard functionality. Right-click on the Start button and choose Settings from the menu. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Accessibility tab and then select Keyboard in the right pane. You will find 3 switches there. Please turn all of them off. Sometimes these settings can inadvertently cause your keyboard to stop responding. If turning off those accessibility switches does not resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure your Windows is up to date. Once again, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. This time go to the Windows Update tab. It is crucial to make sure that every single available update is installed on your computer. Should Windows updates not fix the problem, we will move on to troubleshooting your keyboard drivers through the Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the list for keyboard drivers. You will likely see at least 2 entries. For each keyboard driver listed, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Repeat this process for all keyboard drivers found in the list. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.